Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as y'all see, we are learning how to tie a tie today. So first things first, we're going to flip the collar up. You want the collar to be up like this because when we get done, we're going to fold this back up under. Okay, so grab your tie. This is a really thick tie, so I'm going to go ahead and let y'all know the knot is going to be really thick. Y'all can see how thick it is, and it's the material as well. Good thing about this one, though, it has this little slip in the back where I can tuck in the extra in, ladies and gentlemen. So with that being said, you always want to pull the thicker part down and make it really long. I don't have a chest pocket, so I usually go down like to the third button right here. Well, it's a fourth, so I don't button the top one because I feel like I'm choking and I can't breathe. So I always go, if you can count down, so go like 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Line this tip up with that one. Usually helps. So we can go like that. Now grab the thin piece and the thick piece. Go over top and pull just like this. Hold on to it because you want this to stay just like this. Then we're going to grab the thick piece, wrap around the back side, switch hands, clip it just like this so y'all can see we're already starting to form the knot. Then go here. Then, ladies and gentlemen, one more time around. Switch hands, still got this. You can still see the small knot. Then we're going to go with this thick piece. You can stretch it out, pull it out. That's what I usually try to do, pull it out some more just to get the extra slack out. You're going to go through the middle and flip it over. Now this knot that we formed, you can see, you can stick your finger through. Pull this out just a little bit. Then you're going to feed the tie through it. You want to make sure it's straight too. You don't want it creased or like flipped like this. You want it straight on, just like this. No crease. See how there's a crease right here? You want to go ahead and straighten that crease out. You don't want the crease in the knot. So now you're going to slide it through. Okay. Now we can already see this knot. Like I said, it's going to be a really thick knot just for the simple fact of how thick this tie is. So we're going to straighten the knot up some, pull this down some more so there's no slack. We want it tight. And then you use this smaller end to slide it up your neck. And good thing too, see how this button, I don't have a button? You can slide this up where you can hide that. Where they can't tell you don't have the top button undone. So now we got the tie on. So now we're going to go with the back right here. If it's too long, if it's longer than this, trick right here. You can fold it, because you can't really tell when you got it dressed up nicely. You can fold it extra, but if not, you just slide it through the back side to that first little loop. And this one has 2 of them, so that works out perfect. Slide it through the second one. And see, you can't see mine is just like a perfect length for it, where it's not too long, not too short, so it's a perfect little look for it. And ladies and gentlemen, you got your knot. This one, like I said, is a bigger knot just for the simple fact of the material. If we had a thin, like silk material, like the shirt is, that's how it would go. Then you can flip the collar down, ladies and gentlemen, then adjust your tie. You want to keep going up with it and stuff, adjust it a little bit more. Fold this down, ladies and gentlemen. And it's better if the shirt has the buttons where you can clip it down. That does work out a lot better, ladies and gentlemen. But there you go. You got your tie. It's not too long. It's right at the top of my belly button. It's what you want to see. You don't want it too long where it's past your belly button and stuff. Right at the very top of my belly button. Looks real nice, a little good slick blue with the black, and then you can put your suit jacket on top to show what it will look like. But I mean, this is dark blue, doesn't look too bad with the light blue. Obviously I'd wear a different tie with this suit jacket, but a nice little suit jacket, ladies and gentlemen, it will look real good tucked up under. The baby blue and the dark blue don't look too bad, but I would go with like another white or something, or even a black, like a real nice black tie to go with the blue. But ladies and gentlemen, there you go. You have your nice tie. You can do the jacket. Even with the jacket undone, it looks nice when you're putting it on and taking your jacket off. Obviously, you don't want to wear this going out. If that's your style, go ahead and do it. To me, having it undone with a tie, I think looks silly. But when you button up your jacket, it looks really nice, ladies and gentlemen. It looks really nice. You can get the double buttons going. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. A nice, slick tie to go with your suit jacket. That's what you want to see. Right here, a nice slick tie to go with your suit jacket. Like I said, I would choose a different one for this certain jacket. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you tie a tie. Like I said, this material does leave a thicker one. So if you have a silk material, it does look a lot better. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, that is how you tie your tie. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I hope y'all been liking the life lessons with Dad, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, here's how to tie a tie. I mean, it looks good. The dark blue and the light blue and the black looks really good together, really and truly. If I was working a corporate job, I would not wear this to any business event or business meeting and stuff just because of the design of it with this plain blue, this slick blue and the black. I don't think this looks good for a business meeting and stuff. But with that being said, I hope everybody has a blessed day. Make sure that like and subscribe button if y'all haven't already. I hope y'all been enjoying all this content so far with life lessons with Dad. Make sure to comment down below if this video or any of our videos have helped y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for all love and support y'all showing this channel. With that being said, may the Lord Jesus Christ be with y'all all. I'll see y'all in the next video.